Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Marshal versus Sheriff. You've seen them in countless movies and TV shows, from classic westerns to modern crime thrillers, but what is the actual difference between these two iconic law enforcement roles? It's a common point of confusion, but the distinction is actually pretty clear once you break it down. The single biggest difference comes down to jurisdiction, which basically means who they work for and where they have power. A sheriff is a county-level law enforcement officer. In most states, the sheriff is an elected official, chosen by the voters of that specific county. This makes them directly accountable to the local community. Their authority, and that of their deputies, is generally confined to the borders of their county. The sheriff's department is often responsible for policing unincorporated areas that don't have their own city police force, running the county jail, providing security for local and state courthouses within the county, and serving legal documents like eviction notices and subpoenas. Think of the sheriff as the chief law enforcement officer for a county. Now, let's talk about a U.S. Marshal. The name itself gives you a big clue: U.S. Marshals are federal law enforcement officers. They work for the U.S. Marshals Service, which is a bureau within the Department of Justice. Unlike a sheriff, a U.S. Marshal is not elected, they are appointed. Their jurisdiction isn't a single county, it's the entire United States. Their duties are entirely different and operate on a national level. The U.S. Marshals are the enforcement arm of the federal courts. Their primary missions include hunting down and arresting federal fugitives, which is one of their most famous jobs. They also run the Federal Witness Security Program, better known as witness protection. They are responsible for transporting federal prisoners to and from court and prison, protecting federal judges and other court officials, and seizing property acquired by criminals through illegal activities. So, to put it simply, a sheriff is local and elected, dealing with county-level law and order. A U.S. Marshal is federal and appointed, dealing with matters of the federal court system across the entire country. While both carry a badge and a gun, their day-to-day jobs, the source of their authority, and the area they cover are fundamentally different. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And for more videos breaking down interesting topics like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. We'll see you in the next one.